everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this is Mousy in peach flavor. This is non-alcoholic malt beverage. This is how it looks like. And over here the expiry date and the production manufacturing date is mentioned. Net volume is mentioned, that is 330 ml. Focus camera, yes. So this is in peach flavor as it's drawn over here. So let's open it. Now let's have a bite. Not bite, let's have a drink. A sip. It tastes lots of peach. So friends, if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for such more videos. Thank you.